have here is TOJIRO's F809. This is a 9¼ inch Kyoto chef's knife. The length, like I said, is 9¼ slightly bigger handle than they put on some of the smaller blades, just to give you that purchase. This is again their DP series, so you'll have the VG10 core, which is stainless steel, with their 13 chromium stainless steel cladding, stainless steel bolster, and super durable plastic handle. Of course, they have a specific name for the type of plastic it is. These knives are literally ground all the way from the spine down to the edge. They are almost what you call a zero grind. Super acute, great for cutting, slicing, literally any one of your cutting tasks that you want that nice acute edge angle to. These will take and hold and a very sharp edge. We had these tested in a professional kitchen and they lasted literally months without sharpening, which for a kitchen is absolutely crazy. We have these in all different sizes and lengths, all basically matching. Check them out, check them on the website. All the other details and current pricing information is there as well.